If you've ever needed to carve, cut, grind, drill, or sand for a special project, you know exactly what a rotary tool is. This device is one of the most versatile additions you can purchase for your home toolkit. The rotary tool is equally at home to assist with special projects as it is for everyday maintenance repairs. There are many products available to choose best rotary tools, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt DW660 Rotary Saw. The DeWalt DW660 is our choice for the best overall rotary tool, and it's easy to see why. It operates with a stunning 5 amperage at 30,000 RPM. Its lightweight design, coming in at just over 3 pounds, makes it extremely portable. Bring it with you for virtually any job. This power tool is especially well equipped to handle drywall cutting and comes equipped with a drywall bit. What we really love about this one is that it's a keyless chuck, meaning it's quick to change bits without needing a special key to do it. This means you won't have to fuss and disrupt your flow when you're knee-deep in a project. The bump-off switch is another feature that makes it effortless to use. Overall, we are impressed with the power of this rotary tool, especially for the price, and think it's the best rotary tool you'll find this year. Number 2. VonHaus Rotary Tool Kit. Who says you have to spend an arm and a leg to get something that does the job? The VonHaus is the exception to that old saying. Its rave reviews prove it to be one of the best rotary tools for the money. With everything a rotary tool can do, you are going to want all of these gadgets in your kit. The basic rotary tool has variable speed settings and can go anywhere from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM. What makes this different from the DeWalt is the power. If you are cutting drywall or doing projects on a professional level, it may not be the tool for you. That doesn't mean it's not worth it, though. It's a durable, lightweight product that can handle a lot of tough projects for not that much money. Number 3. Avid Power Cordless Rotary Tool. If you're on the hunt for something at a budget, the Avid Power Rotary Tool Kit is another great option. This kit comes with 60 accessories for all of the projects you might need it, for you already know the drill. Bad puns aside, this tool is the most lightweight we've come across so far at a feathery 10 ounces. Its fastest speed is not at the level of some of the other options, but it's a steady choice. This is not the most powerful tool you are going to use on this list, but maybe that doesn't matter to you. You probably won't be cutting into drywall, but you can get a lot done with this little guy. It's a quiet workhorse, and its size makes it extremely portable. Combined with the fact that it's cordless, this is an excellent option for a DIYer who needs a functional on-the-go tool. Number 4. Dremel High Performance Rotary Tool Kit. Maybe you're one of those people who like to spend a little more to get the very best in performance and quality. If that's the case, Dremel 4000 might be the pick for you. Dremel is well known in the world of rotary tools, and for good reason. They are known for creating hard-working devices, and this one follows in that lineage. It has variable speeds from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM to give you more control. It also comes with 6 attachments, including the flex shaft attachment for when you need to do more delicate work. The 1.6 amp motor is respectable. Make no mistake, though. As the best Dremel on the market today, this kit is an investment. It would make the most sense for someone who plans to test its limits rather than the occasional DIYer. Number 5. VonHaus Variable Speed Rotary Tool. The VonHaus Variable Speed Rotary Tool is another option that comes with a kit. There are 34 accessories for different projects and a flex shaft attachment for your projects needing more precision. The accessories here allow for variation, but the quality is not at the level of some of the other options out there. It's compatible with most Dremel accessories, but the accessories can be cumbersome to change out despite its built-in chuck. You can switch between 5 settings, giving you some control over how fast you go. At just over 4 pounds, it is one of the heavier rotary tools. While 4 pounds won't break your back, it is not quite as portable as others. This is not a bad option, but at the price point there are alternatives that pack more offerings in.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.